Yes, so we have just discussed number 1 is arranging from smallest to largest. Now we are moving on to number 2. This is the assignment number 1, and this is the worksheet that we are using. So we're going to apply what we discussed in there to those questions in number 2. 3 of them. It says write the following improper fractions as mixed numbers. So I'm going to write some notes. Take notes. And you can also be writing too in your notebook, but you'll be getting the recordings, but you can still write in your notebooks. So it's good to take note. Yes. Some points, I'm going to list some points. All right. First of all, a fraction. You may or may not know that already, but we're starting like from as basic as possible. A fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. Okay. Second point, the numerator is the above number and the denominator is the below number. The numerator expresses the part. The denominator expresses the whole or the total. Okay. If the numerator is smaller or equal to is smaller than or equal to the denominator of fraction is proper. Okay. But if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, then the fraction is improper. Okay, because the part cannot be greater than the total. Okay, so that fraction will be improper. And another point that we have to take note that it's okay. It's only improper fractions that can be converted to mixed numbers. Okay, so it's only improper fractions we can convert to mixed numbers. So this is why now this question is asking us to write these improper fractions to mix, because as you can see, each one of them, the numerator, the above number, is bigger than the denominator, the below number. So let's say this is 13/2. You know what this is saying? You have a bag of 2 fruits, a bag, and you got 2 fruits in the bag. And out of the bag of 2 fruits, you're getting 13 oranges. That's impossible. You cannot get 13 oranges out of a bag of 2 fruits. So that's why they call it improper. Okay, because that is the symbols that we use to express parts from whole, parts from total. The numerator is the part, the denominator is the total. So we can convert this improper fraction to a mix. All right. And how do we do that? This converting an improper fraction to a mix is done by dividing the denominator into the numerator, then placing the remainder, okay, over the denominator. All right, to obtain a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay. So we're going to apply this to 13/2. So therefore, we look for a fraction notation, 13/2. So we have 13/2. We see 2 into 13. 2 into 13 was 6 times. And we know 6 2s are 12, right? So therefore, if 6 2s are 12, the remainder is 1 over the denominator 2. So 13/2 is 6 1/2. Improper to mix.